last piece. This is my favorite image of the week. All right, last one. Linda's self-made up. May the fourth be with you. I love the Star Wars reference. Favorite thing? Tell us about it. What do we got?
All right, so as you guys can see, there are tons of open houses this weekend. We didn't have a lot the last couple of weeks because Easter, kids are working to get out of school, so the open houses are in full bloom is what I like to say this weekend. So these are just a couple of them, and there's a couple of them. There's still people sending stuff in. As you can see, they go from Arlington to Granbury to Argyle to McKinney. If you go on our new Facebook group that we have at South DFW Open House, we're going to start listing these every weekend. And this is a public page, so it is open to anybody that wants to look at open houses, real estate agents. If you want to list your open house and we can't get it on the tour, go ahead and list it on there, and it will start to go to everybody. So share this page. But we have a lot of open houses this weekend. If you guys need to be pre-approved, or if you have clients that need to be pre-approved, give us a call and we will make it happen this weekend.
Yep, while they're at the open house, we can pre-approve you over the phone. It takes about 10 minutes and we'll roll right through it. So there's a ton of them out there. We're not going to list through them all, but just check these out. And if you want to go see some homes this weekend, get pre-approved, give us a call. So any more thoughts for the week?